In this video we will find the derivative of cot inverse x. So first let y is equal to cot inverse x. Now we can write cot y is equal to x. Now we know that cot y is equal to base upon perpendicular in a right angle triangle. So we can draw a right angle triangle. So the side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse, and this angle is y, and the side opposite to y is perpendicular, and the side adjacent to y is base. So here we can see that cot y is equal to x and cot y is equal to base upon perpendicular. So we can write base upon perpendicular is equal to x, or we can write base upon perpendicular is equal to x upon 1. So we can suppose that base is equal to x and perpendicular is equal to 1. Now we will find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So we have h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which is Pythagoras theorem. So h square is equal to, in place of base we will put x, and in place of perpendicular we will put 1. So we have h square is equal to x square plus 1, or we can write h square is equal to 1 plus x square. So the value of hypotenuse is square root of 1 plus x square. Now we will integrate this cot y is equal to x. We will differentiate cot y is equal to x with respect to x. So apply d by dx on both sides. We have d by dx of cot y is equal to d by dx of x. Now we have to find the derivative of cot y, but here we have dx over here, so we have to apply the chain rule, which is d by dy of cot y multiplied by dy by dx is equal to the derivative of x, which is 1. Now the derivative of cot y with respect to y is minus cosec square y dy by dx is equal to 1, or we can write dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon cosec square y. Now we will find the value of cosec square y. So cosec square y is equal to cosec y whole square, and cosec y is hypotenuse upon perpendicular square. So we know that the value of hypotenuse is square root of 1 plus x square, and the value of perpendicular is 1. So we will put 1 in place of perpendicular. So and square root of 1 plus x square upon 1 is the square root of 1 plus x square to the power 2, and this square root will be cancelled out by this 2. So we have 1 plus x square. So the value of cosec square y is 1 plus x square. Now we will put the value of cosec square y over here. So we have dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now y is cot inverse x, so we can write cot inverse x in place of this y. So we have d by dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So the derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square.